Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of roasted, unsalted peanuts. These are the star of our show. Also, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or peanut oil, on hand. A small pinch of salt enhances the flavor, and if you like it sweet, prepare a teaspoon or 2 of honey or maple syrup. This simple list is all you need for delicious homemade peanut butter. If you're starting with raw peanuts, roasting them is a crucial step for depth of flavor. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the peanuts in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are fragrant and lightly golden. Once roasted, let them cool completely. This cooling process helps release their natural oils more effectively during blending, leading to a creamier result. Now for the magic. Transfer your cooled, roasted peanuts into a high-speed food processor. Begin processing and be patient. The peanuts will first turn into coarse crumbs, then a thick, pasty ball. Keep blending, scraping down the sides every 1 or 2 minutes. Eventually, the natural oils will release, transforming the mixture into a wonderfully smooth and creamy peanut butter. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes of continuous processing. Once your peanut butter reaches your desired consistency, it's time to customize the flavor. If you prefer a thinner butter, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of neutral oil and blend again. Now, add a pinch of salt and your preferred sweetener, like 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. Blend for another 30 seconds to ensure everything is well combined. Transfer your fresh peanut butter to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.